Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a document to your USB drive. This is a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, make sure your USB drive is plugged into one of the USB ports on your computer. You'll usually hear a sound or see a notification on your screen letting you know that the USB drive has been detected. Next, open the document that you want to save. This could be a Word document, a PDF, or any other type of file. Once your document is open, you'll want to save it to your USB drive. To do this, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Save As and click on it. When you click Save As, a new window will open. This window allows you to choose where you want to save your document. By default, it might show you options like Documents or Desktop, but we want to save the file to the USB drive. In the Save As window, you'll see a list of locations on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the name of your USB drive. It might be labeled as USB drive, removable disk, or something similar, depending on your computer. Click on the name of your USB drive to select it. Once you've selected your USB drive, you'll see the contents of the drive displayed in the main part of the window. Now, you can give your document a name. In the box that says File Name, type in the name you want to give your document. Make sure it's something you'll easily recognize later. After naming your document, click the Save button at the bottom right of the window. Your document will now be saved to your USB drive. To double-check that the file has been saved correctly, you can open the USB drive from the File Explorer and look for your document. If it's there, you've successfully saved your document to the USB drive. Finally, before you remove your USB drive, it's important to safely eject it from your computer. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen where you see a small icon that looks like a USB drive. Click on it and a menu will pop up. In this menu, click on the option that says Eject and the USB drive name. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.